So I'm out in the field on another project, and this one is called MAMA. And MAMA stands for Monitoring Ash and Managing Ash. And it's a land management project that is through the interior, the forestry, U.S. Forestry Service. And what they're trying to do is they're trying to get people to go out and find big plots of 40 or more dead ash trees, and it could be any of the ashes. There's 5 or 6 of them, and mostly what I have in my area in New York is white. And I just cataloged one at a friend's house, and now this is another one and off a main road that is just loaded. And here, let me show you what I'm talking about. See all the sticks? Looks like toothpicks up there. Up in this area. All dead ash. Across the street, there's another one. And a couple behind them. There's another one up there. Just past the light post. And the whole idea behind this is to and I have my binoculars because I don't feel like walking in there. It's kind of rough. Sort of need a machete to get through, and the prickers would be hell. But I need to find a lingering ash, and it could be any size. It doesn't have to be a full-grown tree. Although my friend's plot just a few minutes ago, they have a very healthy full-grown one. So the binoculars are going to help me find one that may even be just a sapling. Now, these projects run from a year to 2 years. I'm picking the 1 year because I'm basing it on the live ash that's at my friend's house. It has one dead branch on it, and I'm really hoping that it will hold out for at least a year. And what they plan to do with this is, if they can find one that has lived through the emerald ash borer and has survived for at least a year, 2 years on the outside, then they will use it to create a whole new ash. And sounds a little Frankenstein-like, but we've been doing animal husbandry and grafting plants for centuries. So, oh my goodness, look at pheasant back. That's a nice bonus. Look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. I just ordered some dinner, really good dinner from a great deli that's just up the hill from where I'm doing this, and I'm waiting. It was like 20 minutes. I figured, well, I can definitely do a count of dead ash trees, and with any luck, find one that's possibly still alive. But boy, that was a nice little bonus back there. And if I hadn't ordered dinner, I'd probably take some off the tree and take it home and fry it up. But yeah, pheasant back, mushroom, oh, delicious. So, as you can see, more dead ash, all these sticks. This one right here, that's a black walnut. And yeah, so lots and lots of dead ones. So unfortunately, this area right here was parking for fishermen for Moodna, and somebody went and did that. So I don't know what that's all about, but it looks like somebody's walking around it. And so I'm just gonna scan this. I definitely have 40 trees or more, but I'm really, I got my fingers crossed that I will find a live ash or a lingering ash. It could be a half-dead ash. May not make it through the first year once this plot has been cataloged, but it's worth a shot. You never know. That would be really cool, because ash is a fantastic wood. It's one of those woods you can pretty much cut and burn the same day. Pretty close. Found the lingering ash. Not much to write home about, but let me see if I can zoom you in on them. He has a broken top. Whoops, sorry. See that right there? That's the lingering ash. And he doesn't look so hot. In fact, I think there's another one over here. No. That's him. That's our guy. So, my project is done. Oh my God, look at them all. I could be here all night. Well, I gotta go get my dinner. Everybody, this is Irene from the Field Guide. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. See you soon.